starters, I'd like to say thank you and appreciate all of my supporters, my family, my friends. If it wasn't for you guys motivating me, I wouldn't be making these videos for you guys to help you out, to be entertained by them, to learn from them. I'm learning as I'm going too. I don't know everything, although I do know a lot. I'm working on trying to get footage from the traffic light camera so I can upload it for this video. I doubt I'll get it anytime soon, but there's also 6 witnesses who made a police report saying I lost control after I hit a puddle. Also, my dad's not really pissed off about the car. He doesn't care about the car. As long as I'm safe, that's all that matters. That's all he cares about. A couple days ago, Tuesday afternoon, after work, I was driving back home. It was like 5 p.m. The thunder and the rain, stormy weather was slowly fading away. And I was driving my dad's BMW 320i. Of course, it's a BMW. I'm an Audi person. Why do I look like to you guys a traitor? No, that was just my only way of commute to get to my job at the moment. And because my dad got sick of his 2012 Audi A4 having many issues, he sold the car and wanted to try out a rear-wheel drive car. And then look where that landed me. I am fine. I'm not hospitalized. I did total that BMW. I will show you some pictures and clips right now. I think I'm fine. I gotta take a video for my dad now. Bruh, I hit a fucking puddle. So in short, this is what happened. Let's just pretend it's a green light. I was driving normally, then the car did this, and then that happened in a faster pace. I'm lucky I actually walked out of the car with no injuries or anything major really. Just had cuts and bruises and sore. You know when you go to the gym for 2 hours and you come back home and your body feels really exhausted and sore? That's how I feel right now, still a couple of days later after the accident. It's not a big issue. I literally went to the hospital for like 30 minutes or to an hour or so. They ran some basic tests, took pulses and whatever, gave me some cream, and I was good to go. I was discharged from the hospital. I didn't pass out. I was fully aware of when the impact occurred. This whole thing lasted like 10-15 seconds, like that. So it's crazy how I hydroplaned at 40 miles per hour and it totals the car. The car is fully insured. It will most likely be covered by insurance. No, I wasn't being stupid. No, I wasn't being careless. No, I wasn't being reckless. No, I wasn't speeding. No, I wasn't an asshole driver. No, I wasn't swerving. No, I wasn't cutting people off. No, I wasn't driving it like I stole it. No, I wasn't doing any of the dumb, stupid stuff driving. Especially during Florida weather, hurricane season, in a rear-wheel drive car. Like, are you serious? Like, I'm not that stupid. I drove as cautiously as I can. Although it could have been prevented by driving a little bit more cautiously because I was going only 5 under the speed limit. The speed limit was 45. I was going 39 to 40. In a short story, I was at a stoplight. The stoplight was red. Then it turned green. The car right in front of me went. And then I went. I was the second car behind the stoplight. And then as soon as we passed the stoplight, the 2-lane road became 3 lanes after the stoplight. So then the far right lane I was in originally became the middle lane, and then there was a left lane, and a right lane, and then I merged onto the right lane with my turn signals and driving cautiously without crazy acceleration, normal accelerating under these types of weather conditions. And the car started hydroplaning after 20 feet of being in that new lane I merged into. It started hydroplaning to the left, so it was going back to the middle lane. And I saw that, I was like, crap, crap, crap. There was a car right there next to me, and there was also a car right in front of me, across from me, and I didn't want to hit them. So I tried to press the brakes slowly, on and off, not fucking slamming the brakes hard or whatever, or accelerating. I was easing off the brakes, and I started steering the wheel this way. Out of nowhere, the car was driving from this angle to this angle, and the pole was right here. And I just, at that point, I was like, great, this car's getting totaled, so prepare for an impact. I saw the pole, I hit the pole, and then the car jumped on top of the pole and skidded just a bit. it hit a fence that was right next to the house. Luckily, I didn't hit the house. And as soon as that happened, I was conscious completely. Every glass in the car shattered. It hit my face, it hit my neck, it hit both of my arms, as you guys can see. So I have cuts everywhere, glass cuts. I have it on my back, my lower back, and like it's just stuff like that. Like just minor bruises and cuts. So it's crazy how a hydroplane at 40 miles per hour and it totals a car. Actually, the engine is still perfectly intact. It drives fine, but since it's a rear-wheel drive car, it jumped the curve and got on top of a pole. That undercarriage of the car is probably messed up, and that's pretty much it for the explanation for this. And for next week's video, I'm reviewing a $70,000 2019 Audi Q7 3.0T. So stay tuned to watch that video next week, because that will be a crazy video. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, stay tuned for more crazy cars and tech content. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And peace out. I'll see you in the next one.